Hi, East Texas. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. Let's bring you up to date on our forecast now as we head toward the end of the week. Technically, today we are still under the influence of this low pressure area that brought us the clouds and rain showers yesterday. It is now moving through the Arclimus, and we are on the outer edge of that. So still seeing some clouds, some light rain showers tried to move into parts of deep East Texas earlier today. As for the rest of the week and into the weekend, it's all about this storm system here. It's going to slowly move to the east. As it does, it digs a little bit down to the south. We see an increase in winds here across Oklahoma. Friday into Saturday, there is a small threat of severe weather out to the northwest of Tyler. Saturday, now into Saturday night, in East Texas and in parts of Arkansas and western Louisiana, we have a slight to marginal risk of severe weather. That storm system will move to our north into our northeast on Sunday. We'll have breezy northwest winds behind that and drier weather moving in for Monday and Tuesday. And then another storm system will make its way into the Rockies, out into the south and central plains. And as it does, that sets us up for more rounds of rain and thunderstorms the second half of next week. So about a week from today, we'll see showers and thunderstorms return. As for rain chances, not much of a chance tomorrow. A few isolated thunderstorms are possible. Saturday now, a 50% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Sunday, Monday are dry. Tuesday, there's just a small chance of rain. Wednesday, a 40% chance for showers. And Thursday, a 40% chance for scattered thunderstorms. Overnight lows, a little closer to average or above average for tonight. Saturday, certainly a warmer night, 65 in the overnight hours. 50, though, Sunday morning as temperatures drop back below average thanks to a strong cold front. Monday and Tuesday are also cooler than average. And then when the overnight lows get above average, that's typically when we start to see more humidity. And so next Wednesday, we'll have more humidity in the atmosphere. Thursday and Friday, Saturday and Sunday starts to feel a little more like spring. 10-day temperature trend when it comes to high temperatures. Average high, by the way, 76. Next couple of days, warmer than average. Sharp cool down on Sunday behind the front, 71. Monday, 77. Tuesday up to 78. Gradual warm up continues into Wednesday. Back into the low 80s Thursday, Friday, with scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast heading into the weekend of the 22nd and the 23rd. All right, let's talk severe weather risk for Friday. We've got a marginal risk, which means isolated severe thunderstorms are possible. Some wind and between 40 to 60 miles an hour, and also the possibility of some quarter-sized hail. This light green area, that is just general thunderstorms, no severe weather expected in those areas. So that would include Lufkin, Nacogdoches Center, or Carthage. But Longview, Tyler, Jacksonville, Athens, and Canton could see an isolated severe thunderstorm. We don't expect widespread severe weather tomorrow because there is a warmer layer of air aloft. So we call that a cap. So showers and thunderstorms will have a tough time breaking through that cap. But one or two could, and that's why the marginal risk is there. In fact, some data suggests that we could see the cap break down here between Palestine and Crockett and Waco sometime late Friday afternoon, and then an isolated thunderstorm could move up into that area that is shaded in the darker green. Then on Saturday, we've got a marginal to slight risk of severe weather. Again, the general outlook for thunderstorms is now to the west of Tyler, but Tyler, Longview, Gilmer, Jefferson, and Nacogdoches are in the marginal risk, with places such as Carthage and Center, Hemphill, and San Augustine in that slight risk. So scattered severe thunderstorms here, marginal, isolated severe thunderstorms in most of East Texas. However, I'll bring this up. The cold front looks a little bit slower, and so the next update from the Storm Prediction Center that comes out tonight at about midnight will, I think, shift this threat back a little farther to the west. So I think that Lufkin, Nacogdoches, Henderson, Longview, Tyler will be in the slight risk before it's all said and done. And I'll show you why and back that up here by using Future Skycast. So overnight, it's cool again, mid to upper 50s, clear skies generally. Clouds move in on Friday. If we didn't have the cap, I would suspect that this would be a bunch of showers and thunderstorms. But notice these showers that form with that warmer layer aloft just prevent those showers and thunderstorms from really becoming anything substantial. You don't see much of a cap on Saturday. We'll have a lot of low gray clouds racing in here, more humidity, dew points surging into the 60s. Air temperature in the upper 60s Saturday morning at Lufkin, Nacogdoches, Jacksonville, Henderson, Tyler, and Longview. And then Saturday at about 2, maybe closer to 4 or 5 o'clock, winds are out of the northwest here. You've got southwesterly winds out ahead of it, so here's the cold front. Scattered thunderstorms developing along that front. That's at about 5:15 in the evening. And then that blows through between 5 and 10 o'clock. That line of showers and thunderstorms moves through. So wind gusts close to 60 miles an hour. Yeah, that's possible. Quarter-sized hail. Could we get a tornado warning? Possibly, but more so a large hail damaging wind threat. Finally, by 10 p.m., that's moving out of the area. So the weekend forecast looks like this. Isolated thunderstorms Friday. Morning lows around 57, daytime highs around 83 degrees. A line of showers and thunderstorms Saturday. After a morning low of 65, we're up to 82 in the afternoon. Best day of the weekend still looks like it'll be Sunday, 50 in the morning, 71 by the afternoon. Rainfall report so far for the month of March, or since the month of March, and for the year. So we're looking at these numbers here since March 1st. And again, that is typically what we think of, climatologically speaking, as, or meteorologically speaking, as the start of the spring season. So since the start of spring, Tyler has nearly 6 inches of rain. Longview has 6.5 inches of rain. Lufkin has about 9.4 inches of rain. And that's well above when compared to average, and also above average for the yearly rainfall total. All right, looking at our rainfall over the next 7 days, anywhere from 1/10 of an inch upward to maybe 1 inch to 1.5 inches over Deep East Texas. Again, most of this is likely going to fall on Saturday. You can see the bulk of that rain showing up on Saturday. All right, and that takes our rainfall total outlook for the next 7 days up to, again, to maybe 1/4 inch to 1 inch. Overnight tonight, mainly clear skies to partly cloudy skies. Will be in the mid-50s. We'll be in the mid-50s at Henderson, Jacksonville, Longview, and Mineola. And over Deep East Texas, we should find something similar with temperatures in the mid-50s. Hour by hour Friday, southerly winds, breezy, 10 to 15 miles an hour. 10 a.m. temperature pushing 70 degrees. 3 to 4 p.m. temperature pushing 80 to 81. In fact, Pittsburgh could make it up to 82 under mostly sunny skies. Tyler, 83. Jacksonville, 83. Henderson also into the lower 80s. Center and Lufkin right around 83 degrees. Here's the Baylor Scott and White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. So 80s the next couple of days with a period of thunderstorms on Saturday, much cooler Sunday, dry Monday, likely dry Tuesday, and then unsettled weather with several chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms to round out the 10-day forecast. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus, and have a great night.